In this video, I will show you how to track an Amazon order. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up and hover over your name in the top right hand corner, just up here where it says accounts and lists, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click where it says your orders. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this where you can scroll through and find all your orders. Now, if there's a particular order you're looking for, you do have a search box at the top where you can type the name of the item that you're wanting to track. Once you've found the order that you want to track, let's take this one as an example. If you look to the right hand side of the order, you've got some options, including the option to track package. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, where it's going to provide you with information about the delivery. So you're going to find the tracking ID, the courier that's being used, the delivery address, and of course the estimated delivery. Now this one's already been delivered, as you can see, but up here it's going to give you your estimated delivery time. And of course the additional information down here, including who it's being delivered by and a tracking ID, so you can further track your package if you need to. So that is how to track Amazon order. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.